everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, and today we have a new company to show you. So today I finally got my boxes from Goodfair. So pros and cons so far is this company, I don't know if there's really any pros yet. So I bought this knowing that it would take a little bit longer to get here. Their website said it would take 5 to 7 days to ship anything out. After the 6th day, I got an email stating it would be 2 to 3 weeks before they shipped it out. It was about 2.5 weeks before they shipped it out, and then I got it today. The only good thing is once I got the email saying that they did ship it out, I actually got it fairly fast, within like 2 to 3 days. The original tracking said I wouldn't get it until Wednesday, and today is Monday. So I ordered 2 boxes. Now they don't tout this for resellers. So when you order the boxes through them, they have clothes that you can go and pick out individual, or they have lots of clothes, like 2 t-shirts, 2 flannels, 2 sweatshirts, stuff like that. And it's all thrifted items. It's all like save the planet is what they tout themselves as. They are. They're saving Mother Earth, saving the planet, getting rid of fast fashion. And so it was a big box. It came like this big. See, it's huge. It says Goodfair, has a whole bunch of like little sayings all over the box. Oh, itchy nose. And so I ordered 2 boxes and I only got 1 box in. So I was thinking that maybe I didn't get everything, because it was supposed to be 2 sweatshirts, 2 flannels, 2 t-shirts, and I think 2 hoodies in here. So 8 pieces. And they had it was 8 pieces for $85, free ship. But they had, I believe it was a 40% off sale, so I got 2 boxes. And this is a pretty heavy box. I opened it to see if there was like a packing slip so I could have more information. Since this was so long ago, I don't remember everything about it. I didn't find any packing slip in there. They did give you like a little like thank you card. And it says thank you for thrifting at Goodfair. It kind of gives you some stats about the clothes that get thrown away each year. Like 2 million garments go to landfills, 1.5 billion gallons of water used. I don't know. Oh, 72 million from fast fashion, whatever. Like this whole, and it's like a whole pamphlet and everything that they send you. So I opened it, trying to find a packing slip to get more information. And it looks like there's definitely more than 8 items in here. So I think what they did was pack all 16 items in one big box, which if they did, that's fine. I don't care. But, oh, and also when you order from here, you could specify size. So it is a mystery box, half. Like, so I know it's supposed to be 8 items. I know exactly what kinds of items are supposed to be in here. And I can pick my size. So you can pick small, medium, large, extra large. I picked extra large because that's what I wear. And so I figured if there was stuff in here that wasn't good brands, things that weren't really resellable, that hopefully I could wear them myself. I don't remember if this was men's stuff or women's stuff. When it comes to shirts, I don't care. If it fits me, it fits me. I'm not that girly type of girl. So let's get into this. Enough talking, y'all, and let's just see what's in here. So this is a big box. I ripped half of it. It came fully intact. I ripped half of it apart trying to get the sides down so I could try to look for a packing slip. But I'll try to show you. So this is the way it came, packed. It looks like men's stuff to me if I had to guess, just my first looks. So there should be, if it is 2 together, it should be 16 items. And so let's just start with this one up top here that we saw. So this says KCIC Vintage Classic Kansas City Ice Center. Okay. So I think it's just a sweatshirt from an ice center. So it's on Gildan brand, heavy blend, size 2XL. And so that's the graphic. And it's a sweatshirt. It does got like the big pocket on the front. It looks to be in really good condition so far. I don't see any stains or any rips or tears or anything like that. So it's in good condition. Big heavy sweatshirt. Don't know if that will make much money for resale, but it is good quality. Here is a Cubs 2016 World Series Championship hoodie. Oh, come on. The tag has been cut out, so I'm not liking that. But it is another big hoodie. So I don't know what size it is. I'm going to guess it's like a 2X like the other hoodie. It's about the same size as the other hoodie. And so let's see if we can find any kind of a tag on here. Any kind of a... No, there is no tag in there whatsoever. So, I mean, it's not my thing. I don't think I can sell it like that. I mean, let me know if you would sell it without a tag. A size tag, brand tag. I don't know if it's official. I don't know anything else about it. So let me know if you guys would sell it or just redonate or keep for yourself. So that was 2 hoodies. Here is the third hoodie. It is on Gildan brand 2XL heavy blend, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. It is just another weird hoodie. It's an Iowa State Fair hoodie. This one does have a stain on it right there. So we'll see if I can, I can wash it and see if I can get it out. But other than that, I mean, they're heavy, they're good solid quality hoodies. I mean, but just not any good brands, not any good things. Like this here, Granite Transformation for Kitchens and Baths. Nice. This is on Ultimate Hanes Cotton Print Pro, size 2XL. You can see 90% cotton. Oh, nice. Alright, so it's got the little advertisement graphic there up front. And then it's got a big one up in the back with the phone number and everything. So, I don't know. I mean, I can put that on there. I don't think I'll get anything for that. But hey. Now it looks like we're on to... This is just a regular jacket. It's not a hoodie or a sweatshirt. It's on Union Line is the brand name. Or brand tag. Polyester, 50% cotton, size 2XL. So maybe I got 2XL and not just XL. It's again another like business shirt jacket thing. So yeah. I'm actually kind of a little bit disappointed, to be honest. You know, I knew they weren't necessarily going to be high-end stuff or anything like that, but... And then I say that, and then I get this. So... What the heck? Alright, well this is this Nike Team Texas A&M. So it's a Texas A&M Nike jacket. So, I mean, that's nice, but this tag is weird. So, it's got that on there. Got that. And, like, this thing here says, like, 2XL on it, but it's like it was glued to it, and it's taking that off of there with it. So, I don't know if I should leave that on there, if I should take it off. It was put on there because the size tag is missing on there. So I don't know if they put that on there themselves to be able to market. But yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's got like zippered pockets. It's lined. It's got the material tag on it. So yeah, I mean, it's got all that going for it, but we'll see. Oh, and then it's all like vented in the back. So let's see, what company is this for? Ah, the NRA. So it's on Page in Tuttle, XXL, same thing. The size tag is missing, so they put that in there. And then it's just the NRA, size XXL jacket, zip up with zip up pockets. And then it's got that type of thing on the bottom. So that might actually, those two things might sell, those, no. So let's see. This says 2012 Grand Mediterranean and Black Sea Cruise Specialists. Okay. It's on North End tag, which I don't know nothing about. Again, size XXLT, so I think it's a tall XXL. It's got that there. And it's got a hood. And it looks like the hood can be zipped away in this thing here. And there's no back graphic or anything like that, but it is vented like the Nike jacket. Well, that might be worth something. Alright, so now it looks like we're all through the jackets and the hoodies. So we'll put those back, those are possibilities. Now we've got the flannels. So let's see, maybe some of these shirts will be better quality. Nope. So I mean, it's a nice flannel. Nice colors, I like it. Looks to be in good shape. But the brand is Arizona. So I mean, I guess I can sell it to make a few bucks back, but I mean, it's not gonna go for much. Ooh, and then we got the ever always lovely George brand. 2XL. Just a regular flannel, blue flannel. So, yep. Alright, let's see this one. Oh, okay. Massimo and Supply. XXLT, which is extra large tall. I mean, they're nice flannels, don't get me wrong. But I believe each piece cost me like $5 total. Alright, and this one is a long sleeve, extra large, St. John's Bay. Just, normal flannel. Alright, now we're down to the tees. So this is on a Gildan Ultra Cotton 2XXL. And it is puppy face. And it is from the Trumpet section 2014-2015. It's like a school t-shirt. Yeah, with all like the kids' names on it. That's not gonna sell. And then we got the Go-To Tee, Adidas. So this is 2XL Adidas. This is Thunder OKC. So yeah, I mean, it's an okay shape. Now here we have a Batman XXL 100% cotton. But I don't know if this is meant to be like this. I mean, I know the graphics meant to be like this, but the t-shirt itself, I can't tell if it's in good condition. And it's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be like this, so I might be able to get $10 for that, maybe. And then, is it last but not least? Yes, last but not least, we have a blue 84 XXL screened date 118 temp 96.9. Okay, red cup killer copy Washington. I think this is Washington Island. Yep. So it's just a Coffee Places t-shirt from the looks of it. So, I mean, I'll look it up. I've never heard of that coffee place before. Don't know if it'll be worth anything or not. So, yeah. Tell me what you guys think. That definitely was not as good or what I expected. I am glad to see that all 16 of them did come in one box and I wasn't missing anything. Oh, that's right. I forgot I saw this at the bottom. Tracking slip. What I was looking for to begin with. So here we go. So it says I paid $135. Oh wait, no. Total was $82.55. It was $130 originally. I would have been really upset if I paid $130 for all this. So, but I paid $82.55. I might be able to break even, but I doubt it. I doubt I'll make my money back on this. But hey, you win some, you lose some. I know I won't be buying from them again. You can try though. You might get a better box than me. Or if you are looking just for yourself, and I mean, if I was looking for just something for me and my husband, or just for like family stuff, and we were like going camping for the weekend and we just needed some, you know, hoodies and jackets for camping overnight somewhere, these would have been great. Keep them out of the landfill, you know, wear them to keep you warm while you're out, you know, backpacking, which they did call this a tree hugger package or bundle. So, all right, everybody. Well, that's what I got. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you would sell any of the sweatshirts or the hoodies. Just put them up, you know, and see what you can get for them, or just redonate them, or like what would you guys honestly do with that stuff if you would have got the stuff yourselves? Really curious if you guys would just redonate or try to recoup, you know, $5 or $6 profit off of each one, or $5 or $6 after fees and shipping. And just let me know. All right, I will talk to you guys all later. Please like and comment. It really does help me out. I do appreciate it. And until next time, catch y'all later. Bye.